Long Beach, blizzard is a little crazy. I don't think you're going to be able to see it in the video though. The wind's probably 35 miles an hour. Whoa! House on the rocks. And the water definitely comes all the way up.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think, girls? Crazy?
Crazy.
Julie?
Wow.
Are you okay? You're not cold? Here comes a big wave. This one's going to come all the way up. Here it comes. That one's coming all the way up there. We better back up a little. Whoa! Yeah, of course. Back up, back up. Now that's a storm surge. Backing up. Whoa! That is crazy. This is where everybody usually sits, to sit in the sun at the beach. Not today. The entire beach is covered. This is crazy.
Oh my gosh, Jimmy, look, the house is gone. Oh my gosh,
Yeah. Yeah. No. I don't think my camera zooms. Pretty big seas. We're at high tide right now. Big wave on the house. Boom! Oh man, on both sides of it. You see that? I wonder if there's anybody in there right now. That's crazy.
Look at the water going around the outside of the house, you're right.
Yeah. Yeah, they're exposed out there. That's the price of living in a perfect place like that. Not so perfect today. That's a little nuts. All right, signing off.